Are you curious about how the invisible guardians, geomembranes, which safeguard fish ponds, landfills, and even large-scale water conservancy projects, are born? Today, we will unveil the mystery. Our production starts with the raw material, which is high-density polyethylene pellets. These pellets are like well-trained soldiers, entering the battlefield, the production machine orderly through the feeding system. Inside the machine, they encounter the high-temperature and high-pressure monster. Miraculously, they gradually merge in the battle with the monster and turn into a uniform melt. Then, like being enchanted, the melt is extruded from the die head to form the initial shape of a continuous geomembrane, which is the preliminary form of the geomembrane. Finally, the geomembrane enters the stretching stage. After stretching, it becomes stronger and can better fulfill its guardian duties.